A new lawsuit is going after a tech company for its tracking software. The complaint, it's being used to track people instead of its intended use to track lost items.
And THV 11's Ashley Godwin joins us now. Ashley, this lawsuit is for Tile, but you've covered this issue with another company.
Right, Craig and Faith, since last year I've looked into tracking people with Apple AirTags. An Arkansas law firm decided to take it to court, saying the company was negligent to the harms of the software. Now that same law firm is going after a similar device called Tile.
They would show up and it was like, we're 4 hours away. How does this person know where we are?
Shannon Ireland Gordy and her wife Stephanie are listed in a new lawsuit filed by Arkansas's WH Law. The couple says an ex-lover became a stalker.
Our cars were damaged in the driveway. Our gate was kicked in, and no one else in the neighborhood was having these problems.
It wasn't until months later when they found a Tile tracking device in one of their cars.
And at first she thought it was junk. She thought it was just something in the middle of a console, at the bottom, and then it beeped when you push on it.
We all just need to be aware that this is a new risk and a new reality for us in 2023.
David Slade with WH Law says this is a problem with many tracking devices. The technology is intended for items and personal belongings in case they get lost, but now they are being used to track people.
What a lot of people have realized is that for very little money, they can find something that they can place on a human being or on a person's car or in a person's purse or in a car seat or something, and they can follow them without that person's knowledge all the time.
We reached out to the company that creates Tile. They tell us in part, Life 360 remains committed to the safety and privacy of our users. Using a Tile to track someone's location without their knowledge is against our terms of service, and we do not condone the use of our technology in this manner. David says there are ways to protect yourself if you want to see if there's a tracker near you.
There are apps. AirGuard is a good one. If you're an Android user, Tracker Detect is a good one.
And Arkansas law has not caught up with this type of technology. There's nothing on the books that prevents someone from tracking another person with tracking software, but a person could be charged with harassment or stalking.